Matthews back on, up against Adam Lowry. They've seen a lot of each other tonight. Matthews stole the puck away, heads for the net. It's loose in front of the goal. Matthews is leaving slowly.
It was Jacob Trouba who absolutely unloaded on him. And you wonder, shoulder, his reaction immediately. And Jim Matthews has gone to the Leafs dressing room.
The Maple Leafs have confirmed, Jim, it is a shoulder injury for Matthews. He will not return to this one tonight.